let's review the notes from the board, and I've typed them up so they're a little easier to read. Notice I'm using the magic 3 to help me draw conclusions about each chapter, and this helps reveal that now you're drawing connections, but you're using ideas that are connected across. You're drawing conclusions, but using connections across chapters. What good readers can do is draw connections and see how a moment of chapter 1 connects to a moment of chapter 6, how a symbol in chapter 3 is a symbol in chapter 5. So think about how the settings, almost, I never realized this, but there's a set of 3 settings: pond, bunkhouse, barn. And Steinbeck doubles up, except he is using what I call the 360 method. Begins and ends in the same spot. So review yesterday's notes, how there are 3 key ideas, and these are my thoughts from yesterday, and we could actually change a few, like it's partially opinion about what is more important. But I was limiting it to 3 most important parts of each chapter. Underneath, I've analyzed a little bit, and in the future units, I will be doing practices where you'll be doing this on your own, finding foreshadowing, foils, symbols. Motif is just a reoccurring image like a symbol, and the symbol of hands are important. This idea of how all the outsiders are put together in the barn, and the symbols of how violence and who gets killed by what hands is kind of a reoccurring connection. So I'm not going to state every detail of the 3 chapters. You can look at them and reflect back on the lecture yesterday. And if you have any questions, talk to me during class or via email. Good luck.